let's talk about listing. So you bought an NFT and you want to list it. So you're like, okay, how do I do that? So let's say you buy one of these NFTs or any other NFTs, I guess. Then you go to your wallet right here, you say NFTs in my wallet. That'll list all the ones you own right now that you want to list. In my case, obviously these are the NFTs that I've created, but in your case you might just have, it'll just say it. You click on any of these, list NFT right here, you're going to give it a price. And when it says right here, it says that by listing you are giving authority to transfer ownership to the platform. So when I first saw that, I was like, oh well, I don't want to do that. Well, the reason that has to happen is because the platform, to be able to sell it to somebody else, they have to own it. And you can't, like, unless you sold it to somebody else directly, which you can do, by the way, you can just send it to somebody, right? The platform needs to own it. So that's why when you do this, you're basically going to be giving it a price. So let's say 1 or 0.4 Sol, right? Whoops, 0.4 Sol. I can do that like this, and then I can list the NFT, and what happens is I give the NFT to the platform and they list it, and then when it sells, then you get the price that you sold minus their fee, right? So that's kind of how it works. It's really that simple. And when you click on this, it'll pop up the thing to ask you to approve the transaction in your wallet, right? And if I look at the let it load up, so you see right here it says there's 7.00711. so that's the cost to transfer it to them. So that's that's a few pennies, right? It's not even a penny, I think right now, anyways, with the price of Sol. And when I approve this, it'll do that. I'll just click cancel right now because I already did that. Once you've done that, then it'll show up in my listed NFTs. You're going to be able to see the ones you listed, and you have the option of delisting, which basically means transferring it back to you without a cost, right? Because they know you're the one that listed it, that you own the original one, right? So that's how that works. It's really that simple.